som els nens i nenes de l'escola Frederic Godàs.
I ara us l'ensenyarem. Passeu, passeu.
Aquí tenim la secretaria. Aquí tenim els diferents despatxos.
Aquest és el despatx del director.
Aquí el director atén a les famílies, als alumnes i als professors. Mira, Emma, el cap d'estudis i el secretari. L'horari d'educació infantil és de 9 a 12 i l'horari d'educació primària és de 9 a 1.
A les 11 tothom sortim al pati. Aquest és el pati d'educació infantil. I a la tarda estem a l'escola
De 3 a 5.
Aquestes són les classes d'educació infantil. Som la classe dels caramels. Som la classe del peixet. Som la classe de les Marietes. Som la classe de les Girafes.
I'm starting to learn more and more about responsibility. And I realize that everything I do is affecting the people around me. So I want to take this time out.
Som la classe dels ponis.
And things that haven't occurred yet. And things that they don't want to take responsibility for. I'm sorry for the times that I left you home. I was on the road and
This is the English classroom.
I'm sorry for the fact that I did not know that you were sitting home.
Comencem anglès a P3.
It was just you and me. I'm sorry for the times I would neglect. I'm sorry for the times I disrespect.
Aquesta és la classe de psicomotricitat.
I'm not always there for my sons. I'm sorry for the fact that I'm not aware, that you can't sleep at night when I am not there, because I'm in the streets like every day. I'm sorry for the things that I did not say, like how you are the best thing in my world, and how I'm so proud to call you my girl. I understand that there's some pride
Esta és la biblioteca.
Hem d'estar en silenci.
inside you, even though you might not show. If I can apologize for being wrong.
Aquí fem lectura de llibres.
I de vegades s'organitzen altres activitats.
And you can put the blame on me. You can put the blame on me. You can put the blame on me. You can put the blame on me.
Está bonito.
Said you could put the blame on me.
Esta és la classe d'informàtica.
Estem retallant les nostres fotos sense tisores.
This is the English primary classroom. We come here to learn English.
I know what to do. I'm sorry that you had to go and sell those bags. Just trying to stay busy till you heard from dad.
Aquesta és l'aula de música.
Aprenem a tocar instruments i a partir de tercer, la flauta.
Wife and you didn't agree. You got up and left you there all alone. I'm sorry that you had to do it all.
Aquesta és l'aula de ciència i estem estudiant les polítiques.
I'm sorry that your son was once a thief. I'm sorry that I grew up way too fast. I wish I would've listened and I'd be so bad. I'm sorry that your life.
Aquesta és una de les classes de suport.
I understand that there's some problems, and I'm not too blind to know all the pain you kept inside.
Aquesta és l'aula d'acollida. Aprenem a parlar català.
Just a shame on me. I'll be the reason for your pain, and you can put the blame on me. 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 You could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. Said you could put the blame on me. You could put the blame on me. I'm sorry that it took so long to see. They were dead wrong trying to put it on me. Sorry that it took so long to speak, but I was on tour with Gwen Stefani. I'm sorry for the hand that she was dealt, for the embarrassment that she felt. Just a little young girl trying to have fun. A daddy should never let her out that young. I'm sorry for clubs and getting shut down. I hope they manage better next time around. Was I to know she was underage? In a 21 and know the club they say. Why doesn't anybody wanna take blame for rising back to this disgracing my name? I'm just a singer trying to entertain. Because I love my fans, I'll take that blame. Even though the blame's on you. Even though the blame's on you. Even though the blame's on you. I'll take that blame from you. And you can put that blame on me. And you can put that blame on me. You can put that blame on me. And you can put that blame on me. And you can put that blame on me.
In level 6, we work art and culture in English. Now, we are drawing a picture after listening to a story tale.
Let me hold you for the last time. It's the last chance to feel again. But you broke me, now I can't feel anything. When I love you, and so untrue, I can't even convince myself. When I'm
Aquest és el pavelló on fem educació física.
Oh, it tears me up. I try to hold on, but it hurts too much.
Aquest és l'hort de la nostra escola.
Enough to make it all okay. You can play on broken strings. You can feel anything that your heart don't want to feel.
Tots aquells i aquelles que volen es poden apuntar a activitats extraescolars que organitza l'AMPA.
Algunes d'elles ho fem de 1 a 2 i d'altres de 5 a 6.
Fem bàsquet,
Coral
anglès
o teatre, per exemple.
Oh, what are we doing? We are turning into dust, playing house in the ruins of us,
Running back through